As businesses become more nimble, as operations become more digital and cloud-based, as customers become more discerning, it becomes ever more apparent the need for greater control, greater understanding on every level for a company to truly succeed. Utilizing technologies that evolve with your business to attain that success and run your operations within a seamless, intuitive system is the key component to get you there. It's why we created ExhibitForce Enterprise, a cloud-based enterprise resource planning system that takes global collaboration to a new level, utilizing real-time business intelligence and robust project management to create improved performance across the board. With tools that help you better communicate, organize, plan, schedule, and oversee all of your business resources, Enterprise gives you an up-to-the-second view of sales forecasts, budgets, ROI, and ROO. And it all comes together in one easy-to-use, customizable dashboard, redefining best practices and ultimately redefining what success looks like for your business. ExhibitForce Enterprise.